2017 Porsche 718. Look at this thing. Lowered, got custom wheels. Just a sexy, sexy car. What a beauty. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. Nothing. Look, it's all solid, nothing. No, I'm just kidding. He came in, exhaust hanger broke, a clamp there. So what he does with this car, guys, is he rents it out on Toro. So if you guys are in the Nashville area and want to rent a car from him, super cool dude, super down to earth. And if you let him know Exhaust Addict sent you, he'll hook you guys up. But it's all bent up and everything. So we moved it, fixed it up for him. It's got an aftermarket exhaust system by Car Graphic. Right there, right there. So it's got a custom system in it. Really clean, really nice. And these engines are stuffed in there, guys. Look at that. It's all in the back. It's crazy, but it's still cool. I love it. So we're going to bring it down, let you guys hear it. It'll be our first Porsche 718 on the shop. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Check it out, guys. Look at that's the back end on it. It's cool. It's automatic, so anybody can drive it. Here's the inside of it. 83,000 miles on this sucker. Still runs like a brand new car. He maintains them, so go ahead, man. Let it warm up. That's a cold start. All right, go ahead, give it gas. Sound decibels, go ahead. 109, again. Press up. Yeah, that sounds clean. Go ahead and back it out. My guy Juan couldn't wait to drive this beautiful thing. I said, you got it, bro, take it down the road. All right, just hold, no. Not yet. I know you're excited, but you know how we do these videos, man. Come on. What are you doing?
I heard take it down the road.
After we finish what we have to do. It's freezing here, guys. That's why you see the white smoke, but it's okay. It is warmed up. Go ahead. Yeah, put it in sport mode. Now it's sport mode. Do it again. And now it's got the marble. Oh, it sounds sick. I like it. Porsche 718. I love the wheel choice on it too. They look good. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Porsche 718 2017 with Car Graphics exhaust. Sounds phenomenal. Wow. I love the wheels on it. It looks so cool with those wheels. Very, beautiful.